In this video, we'll be introducing a simple but helpful search strategy called phrase searching that enables users to narrow down results to find the most relevant resources to their research needs. This is Alex. Alex is doing research on music therapy, but their searches just aren't working. They want resources that specifically address music therapy as a method. But when they search music therapy, they keep getting results that mention music or therapy anywhere in the text, but not always in that specific order. Worse, there are way too many results to sort through, and none of the ones Alex is seeing discuss music therapy holistically as a psychological practice. So what is going on? And what can Alex change to get more relevant results? The problem is that most search engines on the internet, or through a library's catalog, see each word in a search as its own entity. The search engine sees music as one concept and therapy as another, and it seeks those words wherever they can be found, no matter their order. To fix this, Alex can use a helpful search strategy called phrase searching. Putting quotation marks around the multi-word phrase you want to research tells the search engine to look at those words as a singular entity and to return results only with those words in that exact order. This search returns way fewer results, and they're much more relevant to what Alex wants to research. Now Alex can dig deeper by connecting other keywords such as children, adults, or classical music to find even more specific results. The phrase searching technique is most helpful when you know how your topic is referred to in scholarly writing. If we had searched therapy with music, we wouldn't have gotten as many relevant results because the scholarly literature on the topic refers to it as music therapy. A little pre-search digging to find how your topic is phrased in scholarly communication can save hours of frustration later. Phrase searching is one of several techniques that can make finding resources easier and more efficient. If you have any more questions, please reach out via Ask Us, located in the upper menu on the library's homepage at library.auraria.edu. The link to Ask Us can also be found in the video description below. Happy searching!